All right, so this is how to use CapCut without watermark. Okay, this method that I'm going to show you, if you are using it, you are not going to be exporting your video with a watermark. So this is how to do it. Go to your Chrome, search for temp email, that is temporary email, right? This is it. Okay, this particular one, the first site, go ahead and click it. So the reason we are here is that we are going to be generating a temporary email, right? Now see what is going to happen. So this site, okay, as you can see, this site has generated a temporary email for me. So just go ahead and copy this email. Okay, I wouldn't want to close this. Right, so go ahead, open your CapCut, click it. We are going to be signing in with email, right? We are going to be signing up with email. Sorry, rain is falling, so please pardon. I don't want to disappoint, so that is why I said let me make this video today. Okay, so we are going to be signing up with the email that we got from temp email. All right, so go ahead and paste the email. Here's the email, paste it, and then accept the terms and condition and hit OK. You can see now CapCut have sent me a verification code, okay, into the email. Go ahead and open the email. Come back to your temp email, alright? Okay, come back to your temporary email here. As you can see, look at the email, okay? Look at it. The verification code that CapCut sent to us, look at it. So just go ahead and copy this verification code. I've write it somewhere. I actually write it somewhere. Come back to CapCut and write the code. Okay, as you can see, immediately I put the code, it has opened. Okay, so now I just have to set my password. Let me say 2 3 4 5 6 7. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this is my password. I just set my password. Go ahead and hit continue, and then choose your date of birth. Let me say this is my date of birth. Hit continue, and then choose a nickname. Let me say Nikki, and then hit continue. And okay, and now we have a brand new CapCut account, right? You know, remember, if you open a brand new CapCut account, they allow you to export video 5 times for free without watermark. Yes, you are going to export your video 5 times without watermark. Now let's edit video and see. I want us to quickly edit one video and see. Okay, let me just pick any random stuff. Okay, and now we have a... Okay, it's even part of the video recording that I'm doing. I want us to just quickly edit a particular video. Okay, so if you open it newly, okay, if you follow everything that I teach you this step and you open it newly, the watermark is going to be at the top. Just go ahead and click the particular watermark, click the watermark, and you are going to see use for free. Go ahead and click that use for free, and then the watermark will disappear. But they will only allow you to export 5 video for free. After that 5 video, the watermark will come back. You don't need to worry. Now let me explain this to you. Now let's export this video, then I'll explain that. You still have 3 free uses to export without watermark. To show you that I'm not using pro version, I'm not using any pro, but currently I'm exporting for free. No watermark on it. There's no any watermark, right? You see, by exporting without watermark, CapCut let me know I'm exporting without watermark. Okay. Okay, you see, our video has been exported. Okay, our video has been exported. It is just sense, you see, but to show you that I'm not using any team money. Okay, you see, but they are trying to tell me to go and pay for this. I don't have the money. Okay, if you don't have money, you must have sense. Okay, you must not lose the two. It's just sense. If you don't have money, you got to have sense. So this is the method. Okay, now let me show you the secret. Okay, now let me show you how to be doing this thing consistency. Okay, if you notice, they say three free remaining, right? If that three finish, there's something that you need to do to keep using it again. Okay, if that watermark come, you need to get rid of the watermark again. Now let me show you how to do that. All right, now let's play the video. Okay. Okay, this particular one, this LV something like this particular one, this the video. Yeah, it's not the screenshot though. This one, as you can see, the middle one, I duplicated it. The screenshot is the one. And now we have a brand new CapCut account, right? Remember, if you open, you see now, this is the video. There's no any watermark here. Okay, the video is actually part of the screen recording that I was doing for the purpose of the video. Okay, it's just part of the screen record. As I'm doing the screen record, I'm saving it. All right, see, but there's no any watermark on the video. A brand new CapCut. Let's edit video. No any watermark. Okay, no any watermark on the video, right? There's no any watermark on it. But you need to take note. You can only export video 4 times. Like, yes, just 4 times. That's the only limit that they give you. As a new beginner, they will only allow you to export video 4 times for free. Then they will ask you to pay. If you not pay, then the watermark will start showing. But you need to take note, if you use any pro version tools here, like background remover or anything pro version on CapCut during your editing, if you want to export it, they are going to tell you to pay for pro version. I'm not teaching you how to get CapCut Pro for free. No, I'm only teaching you how to get rid of that watermark. All my video, I'm using CapCut, but there's no any watermark there, and I'm not using any pro version on it. Okay, I just use it to do my cut and join. Okay, since I don't have money to go and pay for the pro version for now, at least I'll get rid of watermark and do it. So now, after you export video, after you export your video 4 times, all you need to do is to go ahead, come here. After you have done it, after you have export video 3 times or 4 times, it's 4 times, come here, long press the CapCut, click app info, and then you see storage and cache. Go ahead, you see clear cache, click it, clear the cache and also clear the storage. After you clear the cache and storage, the CapCut is just like you just install it newly. Okay, it will be like you just installed the CapCut newly, and then you just have to go ahead, head over to Chrome again, and then you get another temporary email. Okay, yes, head over to Chrome again, and then you get, I'm not on my network, that is why no network, so you don't need to worry. You just have to come back here on temporary email, get another email, and then go and open a new account again, and then use it to export 4 video, and then you go and clear your cache. Like that, just be repeating it. Okay, since you don't have money to pay for the pro version, keep repeating it like that. Always come and get your temporary email, go and create a new account, they give you free version, and then like that. That is what I'm doing. That is why you are not seeing watermark on my CapCut. I'm not using any CapCut Pro. I'm not teaching you any CapCut Pro. Anybody that is telling you that I want to give you CapCut Pro, don't listen to them. CapCut Pro is not for free. CapCut doesn't have any free pro. Okay, if you, those people selling CapCut Pro, is all lie. Like, the CapCut will actually, you are going to encounter problem. Okay, I've tried a lot, and that is why I'm not buying any CapCut Pro for anybody. If I want to use CapCut Pro, I'll buy it from CapCut directly. I'll just have to subscribe. No any two way about it. If you go and buy from anybody 10,000, 2,000, now it's not going to work. It will give you issue at the end of it all. So this is just the method that we are managing for the main time. Okay, so I hope you find the video helpful. Thank you guys, I love you all, bye.